Finally, an electric car made by a factory from the United States called the Tesla Model X was officially imported for sale in Indonesia. Through PT Prestige Image Motors, the car in the line of SUV variants made by Tesla will come with the 75D model, which is claimed to be the most basic variant. This SUV made by the Elon Musk factory from Uncle Sam's country is also claimed to be the first electric SUV in the world. Of course, friends have been wondering, haven't you? What are the advantages of this Tesla Model X electric car? The exterior of the Tesla Model X: on the front, there is a headlamp that is made with a narrowed shape like eyes staring straight ahead. In addition, the headlamp carried by the Tesla Model X also has LED technology so that it can emit light optimally, especially when driving at night. While at the bottom of the headlamp there is a fog lamp that is ready to assist the driver in seeing the road ahead when bad weather occurs, such as heavy rain or thick fog. Meanwhile, for the side sector itself, the Tesla Model X will come with a rear door design called Falcon Wing doors, where the system opens and closes the door like a bird's wing that expands upwards. Tesla made a door mechanism like this to make it easier for rear passengers when parking in tight environments. Then, on the back, the design brought by the Tesla Model X is also made with a very artistic display concept. Where, on the back there are LED rear taillights and high-mounted LED stop lamps which are made in a modern and futuristic shape so as to give the car a luxurious appearance. In fact, in the rear sector of the Tesla Model X there is also a spoiler that can open automatically as a support for aerodynamic features. The interior of the Tesla Model X. The cabin space offered by Tesla this time is quite spacious, which can accommodate up to 6 passengers as well as the driver, so that it will make the movement of passengers more spacious and comfortable. Inside the interior of this Tesla Model X, there are no buttons other than the power window, hazard and drawer opener. The rest, almost all navigation features are arranged from a large 17-inch screen in the middle of the dashboard. In addition, there are also several entertainment features, such as a 9-speaker stereo system with FM, HD radio, support for MP3, AAC, and MP4 music formats, a navigation system, internet browser, information on all car conditions and much more. In fact, several other activities supporting features are also embedded, such as the panoramic roof on the Tesla Model X, cruise control, Bluetooth, 4 USB sockets, keyless entry, AC climate control, and Wi-Fi. Dimensions of the Tesla Model X: Tesla carries this luxury SUV with dimensions measuring 198.3 inches, 5,036 millimeters, and 89.4 inches, 2,270 millimeters, wide. Unfortunately, the height of the car is unknown. This Tesla Model X has a wheelbase of 116.7 inches, 2,964 millimeters, and has a ground clearance height of 137 millimeters to 210 millimeters. So, it is certain that this luxury car made by Tesla will be very easy to drive and be invited to maneuver on urban roads. Apart from that, Tesla will embed a sturdy suspension in the form of double wishbone virtual steer axis coil spring at the front. Tesla Model X machine. Tesla presents 4 battery capacity options that consumers can choose from. Just like a car with a conventional engine, the greater the capacity, the greater the power and distance traveled. The 4 Tesla Model X battery capacities range from the 75D, 90D, 100D to P100D models. The 75D type is known to have a battery capacity of up to 75 kWh with the ability to travel up to 380 km. In addition, the 75D variant is also reportedly capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km/h in 6 seconds. Where, the acceleration achievement of the Tesla Model X car is reached with a maximum speed of 210 km/h. In addition, the 90D type has a higher specification which can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 4.8 seconds at a maximum speed of 250 km/h and is able to reach trips of up to 413 km. Meanwhile, the Tesla Model X 100D has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h, which can be achieved in 4.8 seconds. And the 4 battery variants, Type 75D, are the variants that will be imported to Indonesia. On the other hand, please note that every purchase of this car will be equipped with a wall charger that allows charging this car battery in just 7 hours. Of course, by looking at the machinery sector in the specifications of the Tesla Model X, it is certain that the resulting performance will not disappoint.